Welcome back to the channel, photography and videography enthusiasts. Today, we are diving deep into the groundbreaking launch of the OM system OM-3. If you've been following the camera world, you know that this release is one of the most anticipated events of the year. The OM-3 isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in mirrorless camera technology. But is it worth your investment? Should you upgrade from the OM-1 or your current setup? In this detailed breakdown, we're going to explore 10 game-changing reasons why the OM-3 could be the perfect camera for you. Stick around to the end, because reason number 10 might completely change the way you think about Micro Four Thirds cameras. Revolutionary sensor technology. The heart of any camera is its sensor, and the OM-3 takes things to the next level with its newly developed stacked sensor technology. Unlike previous models that relied on a 20MP sensor, the OM-3 introduces a cutting-edge sensor design that improves low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality. This means sharper details, richer colors, and better results in challenging lighting conditions. For photographers who shoot in difficult environments, whether it's a dimly lit studio, a bustling city at night, or a fast-moving wildlife scene, the new sensor makes a massive difference. AI-powered autofocus technology has seen dramatic improvements in recent years, but the OM-3's AI-driven system is on another level. Unlike conventional autofocus, which simply tracks contrast and phase detection points, the OM-3 utilizes deep learning AI to predict subject movement in real time. This means you can capture sharp, focused shots of fast-moving subjects like athletes, birds in flight, or spontaneous street photography moments. The enhanced subject detection and intelligent tracking make this camera a dream for professionals and hobbyists alike. Industry-leading image stabilization. One of the biggest selling points of OM system cameras has always been their exceptional in-body image stabilization, IBIS. The OM-3 takes it even further, boasting an industry-best 8.5 stops of stabilization. This means you can shoot handheld in extremely low-light conditions without worrying about motion blur. Videographers, in particular, will appreciate this upgrade, as it allows for smooth, gimbal-like video recording without the need for additional stabilization gear. Enhanced computational photography. Computational photography isn't just for smartphones anymore. The OM-3 incorporates advanced AI-powered image processing that optimizes every pixel in real time. Features like live ND filters, handheld high-resolution mode, and AI noise reduction make post-processing easier and allow you to capture stunning images straight out of the camera. This makes the OM-3 not just a powerful photography tool, but also an efficient workflow enhancer. Upgraded electronic viewfinder and display. The OM-3's electronic viewfinder, EVF, is a significant leap forward from its predecessors. With a 5.76 million OLED display and a 120Hz refresh rate, this EVF eliminates lag and provides a true-to-life optical feel. You'll also love the fully articulating LCD touchscreen, which is perfect for vlogging, overhead shots, and creative compositions. Whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or complete darkness, the improved display ensures accurate color reproduction and crisp details. Pro-grade video capabilities for content creators. The OM-3 isn't just a stills camera, it's a cinematic powerhouse. Capable of recording 4K 120 frames per second and 10-bit internal video, it provides unmatched flexibility for slow-motion shots and high-quality footage. Combined with its superior stabilization and AI-powered autofocus, this camera is perfect for travel vloggers, YouTubers, and filmmakers looking for a compact yet powerful solution. The addition of OM-log and improved dynamic range allows for incredible post-production control. Improved battery life and USB-C charging. A major complaint with mirrorless cameras has always been battery life. The OM-3 addresses this by introducing a higher capacity battery that provides up to 600 shots per charge. Plus, the USB-C fast charging feature allows you to charge on the go, making it a reliable companion for extended shoots and travel photography. Weather sealing for extreme conditions. OM system has always been known for building rugged, weather-sealed cameras, and the OM-3 continues that tradition. With an IP53 rating, this camera is dustproof, splashproof, and freeze-proof down to -10 degrees Celsius. Whether you're shooting in the rainforest, desert, or snowy landscapes, you can count on the OM-3 to keep up with your adventures. Lightweight and travel-friendly design despite its powerful specs, the OM-3 remains compact and lightweight, making it an ideal choice for travel photographers. The Micro Four Thirds system allows for smaller lenses, meaning you can pack a full kit without the bulk of full-frame setups. If portability matters to you, this camera is a game-changer. Competitive pricing and full-frame competition with an expected price tag between $1,500 and $1,700, the OM-3 offers professional-grade features at a fraction of the cost of full-frame competitors. This release is a statement from OM System, proving that Micro Four Thirds cameras can rival full-frame performance when combined with smart design, AI-driven processing, and cutting-edge sensor technology. Final thoughts, so, is the OM-3 worth the hype? Based on everything we've covered, the answer is a resounding yes. From its AI-enhanced autofocus to its industry-leading stabilization and pro-level video features, the OM-3 is a camera that can handle everything from casual photography to high-end professional work. What do you think about the OM-3? Are you planning to upgrade? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest camera reviews and photography tips. See you in the next video.